Does a woman's vagina get bigger if she has sex with a lot of people or even multiple times with one person? The vagina is a muscular canal and it contains tissues that are super elastic. So that means they can expand. That's how come it can accommodate things. For example, the penis or even a monster dildo. And things can also come out of the vagina, for example, during childbirth. But these changes in size or this elasticity is just temporal. So it just retains back to its normal shape or size after the intercourse or the arousal. One thing that can affect the elasticity of the vagina is aging. When you are growing, especially after 40 years, things change. Even your hormonal levels get fluctuated and it can affect the elasticity of the vagina and also childbirth.